Employment contract automation tools versus employment lawyers, which one is better for teams? Most people get this wrong by assuming that every employment contract requires a lawyer's full attention. The surprising truth is that employment contract automation tools can handle the bulk of routine agreements faster, more consistently, and at a lower cost, freeing lawyers to focus on high-risk or complex cases. Employment contract automation tools are software platforms that allow teams to generate contracts quickly using pre-approved templates, guided clauses and automated workflows. For example, a company hiring dozens of employees across multiple regions can generate compliant contracts in minutes, automatically adapting to local labour laws and company policies. This reduces errors, speeds up onboarding, and ensures compliance without manual drafting. Employment lawyers, on the other hand, provide interpretation, judgment, and legal advice. They review unusual contract terms, handle disputes, negotiate complex clauses, and ensure alignment with labour regulations. For instance, if a senior executive requires a tailored equity agreement or relocation terms, an employment lawyer ensures these contracts are legally sound and aligned with company strategy. The difference is speed versus judgment. Automation tools excel at high-volume, standardized contracts, while lawyers excel at complex, high-risk or bespoke agreements. The best teams combine both, using automation tools for efficiency, and deploying lawyers or strategic review or risk mitigation is required. The takeaway is clear: for routine contracts, automation tools save time, reduce errors, and improve compliance. For complex employment agreements, legal oversight remains essential. The surprising truth is that integrating both allows teams to operate faster, smarter, and more safely, creating a scalable, legally sound workforce onboarding process.